What is up guys, Faye here, and today we're going to be talking about how this product right here gave me 1.3k in about a month and like a week. I'm going to show you guys exactly the process that I took from testing the product to finding the product. Just showing you guys a little overall of everything that I did. Obviously 1.3k in a month and a couple of days isn't too crazy, but it just shows you guys the reality of dropshipping. When you go ahead and you run these products, not all the time you're going to find winners and not all the time are they going to be straight up losers. So this is going to be a nice little case study to show you guys. Let's get to this shit right now. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be talking about how I found this product. I did pretty much the basic burner method. We go ahead and make a new TikTok account, interact with nothing but dropshipping pages, exit it out, open it back up. You see that your For You page is filled with dropshipping products. So I was scrolling through this burner, guys. This is the product right here. This is exactly how I found the video. I probably scored for about a couple hours before I went ahead and got this. As soon as I found the product, I went ahead and ordered it on Amazon. Started go ahead and doing TikTok scripts and finding out what videos I'm gonna do for this product. The thing you wanna do, especially if you're a beginner, go ahead and copy your competitor's TikTok frame by frame, and that's exactly what I did. I copied his most viral video and I went ahead and did a little my way. Better background, better lighting, and more pizzazz, because you guys can see that shit right there. It's not really too crazy. Like, it's like a makeup product, but at the end of the day, it could be like on a vanity or something just to make it look a little more, you know? Okay, so that's how I found the product. And go ahead and what I did to pretty much test this product out. I started off pretty much posting 3 videos a day. It's important that you go ahead and you post on TikTok first, then post on Instagram, because TikTok likes fresh content. Instagram, the rules are a little different. It's something that I just learned my damn self. This is literally the first time I've done Instagram Reels. I went ahead and posting on all 3 platforms: TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So about 12 videos in, around the 5th day, this video right here going fucking viral. That's about 1 mil in 1 day, and then after that, it just started slowly graduating up about 100k, 200k. Ended up hitting to around 5 million views for this one video. I started seeing that, I started making the store that I created. It's not to like to a T, but it's pretty much right around the area of how it looked and how it's pretty much set up. Not all my stores look like this. I will definitely tell you guys to work a little more cutter to it, you know. Beginners tend to worry about the store too much, and I would say don't worry about that right now. The thing you want to worry about is how to go viral, and going viral in the fucking first place. Yeah, dig. The video kept going more and more viral. I made a makeup burner, so I started fucking around with nothing but the makeup niche to get nothing but their video, and I seen what was trending in that niche, from sounds to using different hand movements to using different hooks. Overall, in about 1 month that I posted these TikToks, I managed to get a couple of videos to over 10 mil views, 5 mil views, and like around 7 mil views. Getting nothing but these back-to-back viral videos, but 0 fucking conversions, bro. So fucking sad, bro. It is what it is though, man. That's the fucking reality of it. Product was just fucking trash, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. First half of the month is viral in India. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it's because no text on the screen, so people from India started coming to the site. Towards the end of the month, I started hitting $100 days. Ended up getting to like around 1.3k, like I showed you guys in the screenshot. Recording and posting 3 times a day, getting 0 sales, bro. For like the next 2 to 3 weeks, it just went fucking dry. I'm like, this product is fucking trash. I'm just gonna go ahead and just test another one. By the end of the month, I made around $520 profit. Nothing too crazy, but at the same time, it is realistic results of what could go wrong too. Like, the product wasn't all that. At the end of the day, you could also go viral. And yeah, just a lot of stuff you guys could run into, but don't get discouraged, you know what I'm saying? This is just a stepping stone. I wanted to take you guys with me just so you guys can experience the journey too, because I'm not a pro dropshipper or anything like that. I want to be super transparent with you guys, literally show you guys the actual product, but if I return it on Amazon, $40 product made me 1.3k in a month. I'll fucking take it, you know what I'm saying? Is that account ended like 20-30 mil views plus, so it's fucking crazy. It is what it is. I'm moving on to another product. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Try to break it down as much as I can so you guys can have a good idea, so you guys can go ahead and start doing this on your own. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me on my Instagram, and go ahead and help you guys as much as I can. Like I said, I'm on the journey too. You guys enjoy this video, and until next time guys, it's been Faye. Peace.